Welcome to a life of a female seaman on board a tanker ship. I am keeping 8 to 12 duty and I started off the day with cleaning. So I am going to clean around the accommodation area. This is the upper deck, the muster station. So I started off cleaning around the life draft under the lifeboat. I went on with the brooming. I make sure all the dirt are out and I packed them. While I was at it, the engineers needed to pick something into the engine room, so they asked me to assist them in operating the crane. So here I am to operate the crane for them. This is the control. We have boom up, boom down, wire up, wire down, swings to starboard or port side. I went ahead to untie the messenger line which was secured, and I went to tell my colleague to help me on the source of the power to the crane. So I went ahead to swing to my starboard to go carry the lube oil they wanted to carry inside the engine room. With the crane, you can carry any load on board the ship instead of using manpower. So after which I was done, I secured everything and I went to the source that I asked my colleague to help me on. I went and off it, and I went back to cleaning around the accommodation. At this point, I was done with the cleaning. This is me heading to the garbage area to dump my dirt, and I returned back my working tools. I took water break. This is me having some water, and I also reapply my sunscreen because I'm working under the sun. I need to protect my skin from the sun. This boat came along to overland some items which we attended to them, and I went on rounds. I saw this rope lying around, so I went ahead to coil them, call the messenger line, and also make sure everything is in place and in order. I went on rounds on deck. I walked to the forward part of the ship and I was back, make sure everything is safe. We were loaded with cargo, so I make sure that nothing is wrong with the ship. There is no leakage anywhere. In fact, the ship is safety first. This boat came along. I really love it. Very small. There is this white dude. I think they missed their way, so they just came close to our ship to ask us about one vessel or the other, and that is them going. So after that, we had someone came on board. So this is me rigging the gangway, and my visitor was on board, and I pick up the gangway. After which, my reliever came to take over the watch, and that is me handing over the radio to him, and I was done. I went and washed my hands. Keep your hands clean. And it was lunchtime. I had eba and okra soup with fish. So this is me having my lunch. I did not really enjoy the meal, so I just had a little bit. The soup was not really nice. So this is just what I had, and I'm done eating. And this is me heading to my cabin after my wash with 2 apples. I'm really excited. Thanks for watching. Follow for more vlogs.